So we'll continue. Welcome students. We'll continue with our biodiversity and its conservation. Yesterday we saw the picture of different animals which are getting endangered, and this endangered species in coming few days, if we do not take few steps for their conservation, they may get extinct. So this can be possible only if we humans involve or we intervene to take the step, a larger step towards conservation. So I said we have already started some steps, like we have national parks, we have sanctuaries, bird sanctuaries, national parks, then reserves like tiger reserves areas are there where we cannot hunt tigers or any other wild animal. So sanctuaries, national parks are a very big step to conserve what life? Wildlife. Yesterday I talked about habitat. Habitat is a natural living place. So here we have some examples of national park on page 93. Jim Corbett National Park, Nainital of Uttarakhand. So there are 2-3 parks they have given example there. Park means don't think our smaller parks here and there. We are talking about the national parks, like you have in Hyderabad some national parks. You have zoo. So all these things is to protect and nurture our biodiversity. Sanctuary, what is sanctuary? Sanctuary is a place, natural, where we are providing natural conditions for the conservation of what? For birds. Like in Warangal, very close to us, we have Pakal Sanctuary. So which helps in the protection of the birds, bird sanctuaries. So here remember, these lakes, streams, or this excessive cutting down of trees, deforestation is leading to the destruction of our biodiversity, overhunting, killing. So now we will see how important is conservation of biodiversity. Conservation of biodiversity, why is it very must or it is a need of the hour now? Because if we go for the conservation, then only we can protect our nature. For what? For the future generation. If you go on cutting down the trees, we can feel it now. So the government of Telangana, we know, we are following Haritaharam every year. This Haritaharam, that means planting more and more trees. So this is all, we are coming slowly, we are realizing the follies, our mistakes, what we are doing. We are converting the agricultural land into big shopping malls, we have buildings. So that also is causing lot of destruction to our ecosystem, destruction to our biodiversity. You can see monkeys coming into the cities. So much of trouble, so much of nuisance. This is not because we are the responsible people, because we are destroying their natural habitat, their forest. So they have come onto the roads. So this is all because of the involvement of human activities, destruction of forests, cutting down of trees or felling of trees. So here what is very important for us now is this conservation of biodiversity. So now we will go towards the other topic of migration of birds. Migration means, I already told you, migration means movement from one place to another. Like in social studies you have learned migration. You have seen the village people migrate to cities. For what are they migrating? In search of because our temperature they can bear. But in Russia it's very cool, extremely cool. So they come from Russia to India. So you remember the examples: migratory birds, Siberian crane, and during rainy season some of our birds. Because when you look at the sky, sometimes there is a group of, we say, flock of birds. Together they fly. Sometimes we can see eagle. Sometimes we can see the other birds, colorful birds. So these birds, they flock together and they move in search of food or shelter. So that is migratory birds, the Siberian crane. And during rainy season, some of the birds move to these lakes, Koleru lakes or Pulikot lakes, because they are very rich in nutrients. They can get lot of food there. So they migrate during rainy season, isn't it? Rainy season is difficult for the birds to fly from one place to another. So they go to an area where they can get good food and shelter, to Koleru and Pulikot lake in Andhra Pradesh. So this is about migration. Then now we will talk about our research. See, we are doing conservation. Conservation means now we should protect our biodiversity. For that, we should stop wastage of paper. Now you may think, how is this paper related to tree? There is a reason there. Because to make a ton of paper, how many trees are cut down? Nearly 17 trees are cut down. So the next time you throw any waste paper unnecessarily, think twice. Because if you throw paper or waste paper, you are going to give a chance for cutting down of trees. Now I think recently new options also have come. Instead of plastic, people are trying to make bamboo bottles. See how eco-friendly, we say eco-friendly. Eco-friendly means we are getting closer to environment. We are trying to make development, but keeping the environment close to us. That is sustainable development. So we should develop, but we should not forget our environment. So that is about paper. So the next time you throw any waste paper or you waste some paper, so wastage of paper, don't go for it. So hope this for every class I am telling you small steps to take for the conservation of biodiversity. So children, you will surely take that step, isn't it? Do not waste paper. If you have some waste pages, recycle it, bring it together, staple it and reuse it. Because if we reduce, if we reuse, we are protecting, we are conserving the environment. Plastic bags I told you to avoid, take the cloth bag. Did I tell you or not? Yes. So again, bottles, plastic bottles, disposable plates, disposable glasses, avoid, decrease their usages, so that you too can say, I have taken one step towards protection, towards conservation of my biodiversity. So don't think this nature is of someone else, this nature is for us. Nature is giving so many gifts for us. But what we are giving, empty bottles, empty cups, empty plastic covers, we are giving to the nature. That is wrong. Nature is open-heartedly giving so many things for free. For free, I said. Nature is not charging anything. But if you go to a supermarket or mall, if they charge a plastic bag for 5 rupees, you will buy everything, but you will not forget to carry your own cloth bag, because they are charging 5 rupees. Just think in that way and do small things. Plant more and more trees in your surroundings, so that you can say that you also are environment lover, or also you are following eco-friendly methods. So we should recycle the papers. have given you a project work to how to make recycled paper. So just go through that page so that you can develop because now you are at home, you have lot of time. So you can try for it. Try for this activity there. So lastly we can say this earth belongs to all. For you, for me, for the birds, for the animals, for the plants, for the small insects, for the microbes. The world is for everyone. Don't be selfish. Don't try to destroy our nature. Try to conserve it so that it will be there for the next generation or future generation. So, we have come to the end of the lesson. So, what to be written? Everyone followed? So, here we come to an end with this lesson. Hope you understood. Thank you.